Hello everyone, this is Kollan Patro from Calcutta. Happy Christmas to all of my MMDC friends. And today I will discuss about the topic of good manners. Good manners is an essential tools for improving the communication skill of a person. If you do not have a very good manners, you will not be an effective communicator, because everything depends on people will see on your manners, on your speech. And so good manners is an essential tools for improving individuals, improving one's communication skill. And without communication skill, a person cannot get success in his practical life. Actually, good manners reflected from some essential parts, that is our behavior, our thinking, our speech, our movement, and all these parameters, all these essential parts of a person signifies how the people's manner may be. Actually, our behavior, speech, speaking, thinking power, thinking quality, on all these will depend what type of manner a person belongs. It is like a good mannered people can be easily noticeable and identified from peoples, from a gathering of peoples, because good mannered people are just like the fragrance, a flower with a fragrance. If there are thousands of flowers, different type of flowers are are gathered in a place, and if we find a sweet fragrance, we will suddenly notice from which flower this type of fragrance is emitting. That is, all flowers do not have any fragrance, but one flower is there which has a fragrance, and we will find it out. And easily, in this way, we can find out that particular flower which is emitting the fragrance. And similarly, a good mannered people is always noticeable from a group of peoples. His speech, his behavior, his movement, his looks, and everything good mannered is reflected. All these good mannered is reflected from all these parameters, all these behaviors, his nature, his speech, his power of thinking, his quality of thinking, and all these will represent what is the manner of that particular people is. Actually, all the successful people in this world, they had they are good mannered people. From their very childhood, they are naturally by God gifted, they are good mannered, because without good manner a person cannot be successful in his life. And it is just like a ladder. It is attracting power. It is not necessary that a good mannered people should be charming, beautiful. That is not. His behavior, his nature, his power of thinking, his speech will identify what is the manner of that particular person is. So good manner is an essential tool for improving communication skill, is an essential tool of getting success in life. And I am telling that good manner doesn't depend on the person's beauty or whether the person is beautiful or charming or not. That is not. Good manners is reflected from all these parameters I have already told. His speech, his behavior, his movement, his looks, his quality of thinking, and from all this behavior, good mannered is reflected, and it can be easily identified. The good mannered people is easily identified from a crowd of people. So, and good manner is so essential that without it, it is very hard, it is very difficult to succeed in life. The person who has good manners, it does not mean that his surroundings is good. Maybe the surroundings may be very bad, worst situation. He may be born and brought up in a very worst situation. Good manners depend on how you are thinking, what is the quality of your thinking. At every moment, what I am thinking, our inner world, our inner mind, our inner thinking is easily reflected from our appearance, and appearance is also a very good parameter of a good mannered people. Those whose thinking is always good, is always in the positive mode, they are normally good mannered people. They are polite, they have patience, they have also conscience, and they are not easily excited. And there are so many qualities of becoming a good mannered people. He is normally always in a smiling mood, because you will know that where there is smiling, there is heaven and there is God, and where there is sorrow, quarrel, dispute, there is demon and hell. So good mannered people always try to make an influence as surroundings, just like a fragrance of a flower, and he is easily noticeable from a group of peoples. And so everyone should always practice for having good manner. Thank you. Very good night to all of my friends. Thank you. Very happy Christmas to you all. Thank you for listening my video.